Alright guys, welcome back, and today we have a TOTM. Now this stands for Tailored Operational Training Meal, and that is exactly what it is. It's a training meal. It's like a smaller version of an MRE, pretty much the same components, just lacking a couple of things. We'll check that out, but for now let's have a close look at it and then we'll try it out. Let's have a close look at it, and as you can see, it comes in this see-through pouch, which is very thick plastic, same as the regular MREs, and we have the peelable seal. So this is a TOTM, Tailored Operational Training Meal, Train as We Fight, and this one was made by Sapaco. Let's check out the back. This menu is cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. But yeah, you can see most of the components, but let's open it up so we can have a better look. All right, let's open it up. Let's not waste any more time. And just like that, we're in. And the first thing we have is some regular crackers, plain regular crackers. We have a spoon, a napkin, and some coffee. We'll check that out in a minute. Here's the FRH, or flameless ration heater. It's a standard issue. We have some ground red pepper, perfect to spice things up. All right, we have some peanut butter, and you really can't go wrong with that. That's a must-have. All right, we have a beverage-based powder orange. Not my favorite, but not the worst. Some Skittles, not bad. And here's the main entree, the main meal, and of course it's the cheese tortellini in tomato sauce. And let's see if we can get a date code. And there's our date code, which is 6117, which means this is from the 117th day of 2016. So it's not super fresh, but it's not super old. And of course it comes with this cardboard sleeve, which is for the main meal. And we have the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and pause that. All right, let's check out this accessory pack. We have our standard issue spoon, simple napkin, salt and pepper, coffee mate creamer, a couple of packets of sugar, our deep rich coffee, and a fresh snap. And that's it. All right guys, there you have the entire contents, and as you can already tell, this ration is very lean. There's not much to it. We have a main, some crackers, some Skittles, a couple of drinks, some peanut butter, and that's all she wrote. And that being said, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Yeah, let's begin. All right, let's heat up our main entree. All right, now let's make some drinks. We have our beverage-based powder orange and our coffee. Let's make some orange powder. And there's the ingredients if you're interested in that. Oh yeah. Nice orange powder. Let's add some water. And we'll give it a stir. And there you have it. It looks orange, and it just has that artificial orange smell to it. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just a thirst quencher. It's got that artificial vitamin C flavor to it that you would expect. I have no problems with it. So let's make some coffee. We have our giant mug, and today we have the deep rich, which is actually a very decent instant coffee. And we have our creamer. Let's use that. And we might as well get a sugar rush and use both of the sugar packets. Why not? And we'll give it a stir. And there's our deep rich coffee. Smells pretty good. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a lot better in that small cup. The flavor's a little bit more concentrated, a little bit more deep and rich. Yeah, that's definitely the way to have it. All right, let's check out the crackers. Plain old crackers. And of course, they're just crumbling all over the place. MRE cracker. Yeah, just a plain old MRE cracker. Very bland. It kind of tastes like dry bread. It's a little bit crunchy. Nothing stale about it. Let's get some of that peanut butter. Oh yeah, it does look nice and creamy. So let's try it out. Oh yeah. Let's get some of that peanut butter on our cracker, and we'll make ourselves a peanut buddy. There we go. All right, let's try it. The peanut butter and the crackers, you really can't go wrong with that. It just goes really well together. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's excellent. All right, let's check out the Skittles. I'm sure we've all had Skittles before. And there we have our Skittles. And if you've never had Skittles, it's simply a chewy candy. It's got a little bit of a hard shell. Yeah, once you bite into it, it's very chewy. So, all right, here we go. And I think it's time we check out our mains. Let's get it out. Yeah, this is definitely nice and hot. That means the heater definitely did its job, which I'm very happy about that. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, there's our cheese tortellini. Get it in our bowl. Oh yeah. Check that out. There's our tortellini covered in tomato sauce. Let's grab one. Yeah, that does look pretty good. Let's give it a try. And there you can see the cheese. That's a little bit bland, but the flavor's actually pretty good. Good tomato sauce. The texture is a little bit on the softer side, a little bit on the mushy side, but it does have that Chef Boyardee vibe to it, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So let's spice it up a bit. Let's add some salt and pepper. Start with the pepper. Let's get all of it in there. And a little bit of salt. All right. And we have our ground red pepper. Let's put it to use. Oh yeah. Get that nicely seasoned. All right, so. All right, let's give it another try. There we have it. Here we go. That is really spicy. Let's try with the cracker. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Let's wash it down. That is a little bit spicy. That definitely has a kick to it. Oh yeah. That is a really good meal. That definitely does help out, gives it that extra bit of pep it needs, that extra flavor. The ground red pepper just gives it that heat, that spiciness that I love. So yeah, that is excellent. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the TOTM cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. And I gotta say, it's a really decent meal. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give it a 7.5 out of 10. I can't really knock it and I can't really praise it too much. It's just a decent overall meal. Nothing wrong with it. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and subscribe and make sure to hit the little notification bell. And I just want to thank all of you for your support, all of my patrons. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.